Today's session introduces you to the Emergency Alert System, or EAS, which is designed to allow authorized officials to broadcast emergency alerts to the public via cable, satellite, or broadcast TV, and satellite and broadcast radio. Understanding the system and how to test it is another required responsibility of the announcer or operator. The Emergency Alert System is a national public warning system that requires broadcasters to provide communications capability to the President to address the American public within 10 minutes during a national emergency. It is more commonly used by state and local authorities for civil emergency notification, missing person alerts, and severe weather warnings for specific geographical areas. The EAS replaced the Emergency Broadcast System, or EBS, which required manual operation. The EAS operates automatically without operator activation. This slide demonstrates the evolution of the EAS from its early days in the control of electromagnetic radiation, or KANW system, when AM radio was the only broadcast service available, to the EBS in the early 1960s, then into the EAS into the late 1990s, and its current status since the early 2000s. In 2006, the federal government developed the Integrated Public Alert and Warning System, which is an internet-based public alert and warning system. IPAWS was built by the Federal Emergency Management Agency to provide the capability to notify the public of impending natural and human-made disasters and emergency and public safety information. IPAWS does not replace existing systems, but rather complements them and offers new capabilities. Federal, state, territorial, tribal, and local authorities can use IPAWS to send alerts and warnings within their jurisdiction simultaneously through multiple communications devices, reaching as many people as possible. Those communication avenues include the EAS, wireless emergency alerts like text messages, or the loud attention-getting Amber Alerts on your smartphone, National Weather Service dissemination systems, and unique systems like digital signs, emails, reverse 911 systems, and websites. IPAWS utilizes the Open Standard Common Alerting Protocol, or CAP, which can be used by many warning systems and a wide range of applications. Similarly, New Mexico also employs the Code Red Alert system to disseminate emergency notifications like severe weather and missing persons via voice calls, texts, email, and the Code Red mobile alert app. Approximately 90% of the nation's population is directly covered through the use of IPAWS and the existing EAS framework.